Hey guys, this is Rob for Rob's Guitar School and welcome to another quick riff. Here we're doing a quick riff of the main riff from the Immigrant Song by Led Zeppelin. So let's get right to it here. So we're going to be using some muting. I don't know if you've seen some of our other videos where we talk. What's happening here is I'm taking the palm of my right hand, the fleshy part, if you pinch it right there, and I'm resting it right in front of the bridge here, really on string 6, 5, and 4. So once again, you want to make sure it's just in front of the bridge. This is where the strings go over this metal part called the bridge. If you put your palm too far ahead, it doesn't sound as good. I'll call once again also with the sound of your amplifier, if you have some distortion, something like that, to give it some good, rock crunch, it'll sound even better here. So anyways, so what we're doing here to start this off is we are on string 6 here, and we are playing the open 6th string, and then the 2nd fret on string 6. Now, I am doing a down pick and an up pick because there's some kind of fast stuff that's happening in terms of the right here. Okay, so, and then I'm going to pick that 2nd fret of string 6 2 more times. Okay, so down, and my right hand down. My right hand's going down, up, down, up. Okay. Now we're going to hit the on 4th string, 4th fret. So that's a down pick there to hit string 4. And then I'm going to go straight back to the 2nd fret on string 6. Now I'm going to do an up pick on that just to make things quicker. If I go past string 6 just to down pick it, that kind of makes it a little bit slow. So I'm going to go, I'm going to say my right hand down, up, down, up, down, up, up. So it's down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay. So we're gonna so it just repeats over and over again. So when you play it faster, that's what you get. Ba-dum, ba-da-da-da, ba-dum, ba-da-da-da, ba-dum, ba-da-da-da. But at its slow, it's. And there you go. Play that over and over again. And now, as I was saying on our other videos, if you want to slow this down even further here, YouTube has a great function where you click on the little cog icon in the bottom right hand of the screen here, and you can adjust the speed to be like 75% or 50%. So you can slow things down even further while you learn it. And it doesn't make it sound real low, it still stays at the same pitch. So it's an awesome, awesome tool. And I highly recommend it for learning anything on guitar on YouTube. Regardless if it's whether from us, but you would never want to look at anyone else other than us, right? We care about you. No, we totally do. And we care about helping you get where you want to be on guitar as fast and as easily as possible. So anyways, if you are interested in learning from us, in the description we have a link that can set you up for a free lesson with one of our awesome instructors on Zoom. So just go ahead and click on it. And during that free lesson, the instructor will learn your goals on guitar and also teach you something right away to get you started. And if you want to continue lessons with us, we have an awesome special where you get 20% off your first month of tuition. So really it's a great deal, and we get the benefit of helping you out, and you get the benefit of learning and having fun on guitar. So definitely check that out. So anyways, without further ado, we'll take off to tune back in for another quick riff, or our more in-depth videos where we learn a song all the way through. So see you next time here at Rob's Guitar School. Bye!